Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I am Nitika. Let's check the pulse of stock market. So today in today's video we'll discuss important global scenario, global market. Along with that we'll discuss Nifty bank level for coming week and analyze the chart, Nifty bank chart and important updates also. So to know the Nifty bank levels and important global market update, stock market update, stay connected till then. Smash the like button and subscribe the channel for regular index levels update and stock market update all in one video. So let's begin the video. But first of all, let me again share the my condolence for the families who has lost their near and dear and people in this Pahalgam terrorist attack, and it's very very sad and hurtful. But ultimately, we want the solution for this, and we want the long term solution, and we are ready to bear anything and everything. Even we are ready to bear loss. We are ready to face the inflation if it happens because of the uh, the tension going on the border between India and Pakistan. But we are standing by with our country, and we are ready to bear anything, everything for the long term, lifetime solution. So going forward with these things which is going around, and there is really a war kind of situation going to happen, looks like we cannot predict anything. But yes, जैसा करंट सिनेरियो में जो दिख रहा है, that I can only say, and because of the news is going around. So this you all might also knowing all these thing about. So looks like the coming week, coming days is looking very heavy for the uh, India and for the for our stock market also. So my work is to just analyze the chart and tell the levels and all. But ultimately, all these things is very small. First, our country and our India, and we want solution. So going to the global market, you can see here the last Friday what happened. Market was very down, Nifty 50 was very down, it was falling because of this geopolitical situation going around. And it was even has fallen more than 1% and closed here at 24,000, above above 24,000 the Nifty 50 close, which is okay. But still I'm not seeing any good sign. And yes, it was down more than 1%, 1.5%. And Sensex was also down more than 1%, and it also closed here 79,200 around. And Nifty bank was also down, and even it has touched the new all time, still it is now started falling again. And if we see the global market, Dow Jones, it was okay, moderate, not very good, so not very bad also. And S&P 500 was also good, 0.74% up. And Nasdaq was showing very good sign, it is up by 1.26%. So global market and market, we can see it is good, because yes, situation is going to be normal. But in India it is not that good. Because of that, our Indian market has not shown good positive sign on Friday. So this is the situation going around. If we see the Brent oil, and also Brent oil is also trading at a good price, 65, and 65 was the resistance which I have shown in the chart in my last three videos, that my Brent oil video, that this 65 is a resistance, and which has been already broken by the Brent oil. So now Brent oil is trading at a good price. earlier it was trading at lowest price. So this Brent oil is also good. Yes, US dollar is falling, and if we see our US dollar INR is trading at flat, means flat hai 85.4, 85.2. Okay, and low was 85. So 85 around, INR is trading against US dollar. So this was also quite okay. Uh, but yes, the situation is not that good. Because of that, our market is not performing and started falling again. So this was overall a global market scenario. Or now we should discuss the Nifty Bank. As I already just mentioned that the situation is not that good. What is going to happen tomorrow or next week or next coming days, nobody knows. Nobody knows what is going to happen, so we cannot predict. I can only predict the level according to the technical chart. That's it. If any news, big news coming, there is no surety, no guarantee that it will respect those level or not. So I have to tell only the level according to the technical chart, technical analysis. You have to watch closely, watch all the news going around, all the things are going around. You have to keep watch on that, and accordingly our market will react on that. So reaction will be dependent on that, that the news is going around on that. But technical लेवल के हिसाब से हमारा निफ्टी बैंक which I am showing you, and I have drawn some important lines which I am showing. This level can act as a support for the next week, only according to the technical analysis. But sometimes technical analysis also don't work because of the situation and scenario and the news. So let's go to the chart, and we'll see. This is the Nifty Bank chart, and you can see from here 49,200 around 49,200 के आसपास से back to back, the Nifty Bank was giving rally, even gap up opening, 2 3 time gap ups opening, and that it means continuously it was giving the sharp rally till all time high, and even it has not faced any resistance at all time high. And again the Nifty Bank has made a new all time high also. It has crossed the 56,000 in last week only. We were predicting that I have given the level of this 54,500 ka, but this has directly opened on Monday, this on Monday, yes, 21st April. It has opened on 21st April with the gap up opening happened, and after that it has broken all the all time resistance. It has not faced resistance here, which was all time of 54,450, and from here gap up opening के साथ ही ये नया ऑल टाइम बना लिया एट 55,000 भी क्रॉस कर दिया ऑन सेम डे. And again the 2 3 days rally happened from here, 1 2 3. And for the last week I am talking, yes, and again made the new all time high on Wednesday 23rd April, which was 56,100 around 56,100 our Nifty Bank has touched. And from there started taking resistance and started falling because of the that it was quite run up also. And after that this is news also. So news is also is not that good. So because of that the Nifty Bank started falling, and the big candle made here, and from here the pause, and again the second day. But from here 56,100 से लेके ये 54,200 अराउंड यहाँ तक भी पहुंच गया. एंड दिस इज अ वेरी गुड सपोर्ट for the current support I can say, matlab immediate support can be 54,300 around, which has which has been respected by the Nifty Bank on Friday, which was 54,200, yes, 54,200, yes, 54,200 के आसपास एक सपोर्ट है जो उसने लिया है फॉर द फ्राइडे. बट वी डोंट नो अगेन इट विल take support here or not, or it will break and go down. So I'm expecting that it might break this level in next week, and that's why this support now for me has not this support is now not very important for me. Yes, it has taken Friday, but it may break next week. So the next support I'm going to take, that this, which is 53,700. Yes, this support, this line I have drawn, which is also a next support for the Nifty Bank, which Nifty Bank may take for the next week, which is 53,700. Yes, keep in mind 53,700 can be a next support for the Nifty Bank. And then if it still Nifty Bank is negative and breaking this support also, that this support, the last support can be the 20 EMA of Nifty Bank, which is 52,700. Again, from 53,700 to 52,700, this 1,000 point Nifty Bank may again fall in next week only, because of the news and what the situation is going in our country and in between India and Pakistan. So this support I am taking as a strong support, but let's see what happens. So 52,700 can be an important support, crucial support for the next week. और जो दो तीन लेवल मैंने और बताए हैं, दैट यू ऑल्सो शुड कीप इन योर माइंड. द फर्स्ट इज 53,700, एंड द अनदर सपोर्ट विच इज currently Nifty Bank is taking, which is 54,400. This one, 54,300. एंड रेजिस्टेंस तो इसने अपना ऑल टाइम हाई पे बना ही लिया, विच इज़ 56,100, जो कि मुझे नहीं लगता कि अभी इट इज़ द निफ्टी बैंक इज गोइंग बियॉन्ड दैट. सो दिस विल बी अगेन गुड रेजिस्टेंस फॉर निफ्टी बैंक. सो रेजिस्टेंस की हम क्या ही बात करें, वी टॉक अबाउट द सपोर्ट ओनली. सो निफ्टी बैंक कैन ट्रेड, निफ्टी बैंक may trade next week support between support 52,700 after breaking 53,700, and resistance is 56,100. All in all, I can say Nifty Bank is also not looking positive. It is looking actually it is looking negative. And if I will repeat the level again, the Nifty Bank support 52,700 after breaking 53,700, and resistance 56,100. I will definitely say keep watch on the news and situations going around, and accordingly you can decide your trade, your investment. And like and share the video also for the more reach, and subscribe the channel for regular index levels update and stock market update. Signing off.